Well, bless you. So this is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. Right, G? Yeah. And G said it's time to go do a video. Say hi to the people then. Say hi. You love your mommy?
Yeah.
How much?
2 and 5.
2 and 5. I thought you said you love me 2, 5, and 8.
2 and 5 and 8.
Yeah, so give me kisses. I love my G. This is my baby. This is my second baby. My boy. Right? You love your mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I love you. I love me some Gio. Gio, you here for a reason.
No, that first time. Yeah, I think.
You in this old time room.
She's still going on down a walls.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I love you. Give me a big hug. This is the love. This is what life is worth.
Mm-hmm.
Everything I do for them.
I do it on down.
You smell good. You got a little girlfriend you smelling good for?
Uh-huh.
What? What's her name? That's your name. So we waiting for everybody. They taking 10 years just to get ready, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them we trying to go to Atlanta. We trying to go to the festivals, right? They taking 10 years.
I'll take a picture of you.
Take a picture of me. There we go. Cheese. That's the picture, right? You ready to go out?
No money, go outside.
Wanna go outside?
Yeah.
All right. You wanna go for a walk?
Yes.
All right. Let's go for a walk. Ooh. All right. Come on, honey. Going for a little stroll with my love.
Oh, with that box.
Yeah? Say hi.
Hi.
So today, we actually just got ourselves a ring. Yes. You know, there's a lot of crazy people in this world. People be stealing people's packages, trying to vandalize people's house. Now, I have never had an issue, but I still want to protect my family to the best of our abilities. So we decided, you know what? It's time to go ahead and get this ring set up. So that is what, you know, my boo's doing today. We got a lot of things to do today, but he's gonna do this for me though. So he's over here doing it. I know you've installed a ring before. We have another ring. And I'm just wondering why he's struggling so hard today. Right, Gio? Come on.
Get the ball.
You wanna help your daddy?
Yeah.
I think you should try to help him.
I can help him. Which ball?
Let me see what you have in your hand. It's
This own gun, cause
so what you doing? Whoa. So every time somebody rings my doorbell, I can now finally see what's going on.
just dance. Dad,
I'm Jill. Let's go for a walk.
Look,
Let's go for a walk.
Auntie.
come on, Mommy.
No, mommy not coming. Mommy helping daddy.
You go with Auntie for a walk. Whoa, I think he's got it. Let's try and make sure it works. Yes, it's working. Look. I got my ring. I got my ring. I got my ring. Hey. secure it, boo. Yay. Look at them going for a little walk over there. Yes, completed. Good job, baby. I'm proud of you. You did it. So now I just gotta make sure it's set up on my phone properly. Great job.
What do you mean? It's supposed to be set up on your phone before I did that.
I know, but I didn't test it. I just scanned it. It's done. It's done. We got our ring. It's finished. I'm happy. I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this rolling so now we can go ahead and head to Atlanta and enjoy our day.